Hi, I am living in France. Before 3 months, I planned to write DELF A2 French exam. At the time, I don't know how to start, where I need to search. Then only I decided to search through YouTube channels. But I want to study French through Tamil. Then only I find out Yellow Car Academy channel. In that channel, Nitya ma'am teaches French grammar. It is very useful for me to begin my French learning. After that, I joined in her class. Before 1 month of my French exam, I joined to practice my oral French. It is very helpful. Actually, she is very knowledgeable person and her French pronunciation is too good. Due to her guidance and support, I got 73.5% in my DELF A2. Thank you so much, ma'am.